paw patting, tail trailing, fur-suited folks we meet are dressed up as alternate versions of themselves, the character they'd want to be if they were an animal.
I think a lot of people do it as a way of breaking out of a shell.
This is Randy Fox. Yes, that's his real name. His fursona is Yappy Fox. How is Yappy Fox different than Randy Fox?
Less shy, more outgoing. It's an artistic expression.
The following message requires your immediate attention. Please listen carefully. A hostile hijacker anomaly has been affecting areas. Please evacuate immediately, if it is safe to do so. The anomaly will catch you if you see it. The only instructions you need to follow are: follow the instructions immediately on your television. Turn off any devices. Take shelter in a basement. Turn off the phones and devices. Stay at home until authorities announce that it is safe to leave. I repeat, stay at home until further notice. Do not approach or interact with the anomaly. Follow all instructions from emergency authorities. Stay tuned for further updates.